teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Rumaiza Ramzan Shaikh. I am from 5th standard A. Today I am going to give you some speech on Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year with excitement and rigor. Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of the India and a great leader. He loved children very much. They called him Chacha Nehru because of the love he used to shower in kids. Children's Day celebrations are done throughout the country. Children's Day is an earlier occasion which observed on 14th of November. Before Children's Day, schools are decorated and children are welcomed with a lot of gifts and blessings. Thank you.